Every tool theft matters because that's someone's livelihood. It has an impact on their ability to support their families and also the customers, but also it has a wider economic impact.
It's their livelihoods. It means that they can't go to work the next day and provide for their families. It has a devastating impact, and we know that 8 out of 10 tradespeople worry about this and it affects their mental health.
It was a Saturday, just gone 12 o'clock, broad daylight, 2 cameras in the car park, and none of them detected the break-in of our van. All my test equipment went. It's the second time this has happened to me. It has knocked my confidence, I'll be honest with you.
Personally, I've had about $4.5 grand worth of tools nicked out at a local train station. Everyone I know that's in a trade has had their tools nicked before.
Checkatrade is delighted to be here supporting this crucial event alongside SelectaDNA and Locks4Vans to distribute tool marking kits that help to prevent tool theft, but also in the case of tool theft, identify them once they've been stolen and might show up at a car boot sale or on Facebook Marketplace.
And it's the realisation that I've now got to try and get all of my tools replenished, along with any kit that was stolen, along with any damage that was done in the van. So yeah, it does weigh quite heavy when you've had your livelihood taken away from you.
There's an impact that people can't work when they've lost them. Trying to replace them can be a bit of a problem. Yeah, and it slows everything down.
My van was attempted to be broken into, but it made me think I've got to get something sorted out now to try and prevent anything in the future, because that could be devastating.
Events like today are so important because not only do they provide tradespeople with the ability to mark and protect their tools and hopefully prevent them from becoming a victim of crime, but also it's the ability for them to talk to each other and share experiences, and for them to know that they're not alone.
Assume it will happen, and if you assume it will happen, you'll do something to prevent that to happen. But do nothing, and unfortunately, you're just going to be another statistic.